Alrighty, I got a 2007 Buick Lucerne. I think 6 or 7 are the pretty similar, I'm not sure. Maybe even some Impalas, you'd have to check that. But anyway, I've got an airbag light on regards to this, which is a passenger seat occupancy sensor. Now, I got a quote for $700 for the part and $200 to fit it, which I guess is close to 2 hours to fit it. What a load of crap. It took me 15 minutes. But anyway, you basically got to tilt the seat back. Just hit that button there, tilt the seat all the way back. Go down and unhook this one here. Okay? Which you can trace that up to the actual, it goes up underneath the seat. It goes up underneath the seat and basically ties into that part there, which I just showed you, which is underneath the cushion. Go ahead, pop these off, not hard. Be careful because these tabs break real easy on these older GMs. All the way around here. As you see, I sat it on the floor there. There's a little, underneath there, there's a little, like a lip that folds over. This goes over top of, let me show you. Goes over top of, so you can see those lips right there I was talking about. Those little lips there, they kind of fold over the, I can get a, there you go. They fold over the inside of the frame, and this part here kind of goes over there, blah, blah. Anyway, it's self-explanatory. You know, pull it apart. You're just going to have to be careful, take your time, pull it apart, lift up the seat cushion, and look, there it is right there. It's just put in by 2 little fasteners, one there, one on the other side, well, way over there. It's not difficult to do at all. You just run the wire, and there's a little place you can run it down underneath there and plug it into where I showed you here. And yeah, it's a freaking easy fix. There's no way it's 2 hours. They go off the book, and that's how these places make their money, is they charge by the book, and it doesn't take that long. But anyway, my airbag light is still on, but that's regards to I'm having a communication problem. One of the modules is wrong, but at least now it's telling me I'm sitting in the seat, and so that's good. It's working. But anyway, that's just a quick little video. Just lift the seat cover up, put it in there. It's the simple stuff, people. Don't be afraid of doing this. I got the part at a local pull apart for, I got that and 3 sensors, everything out the door for $13. So $700 versus, you know, I don't know what the part would be. Say 13 times 3, because I got 3 parts, about $4. So these places are just ripping people off. But anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. And I didn't even bother undoing the battery. That's a bunch of BS too. Just plug the damn thing in. You know, these people that freak out every time they got to undo something and undo the battery. It's just whatever. If it makes you feel good and warm and fuzzy inside, then do it. But anyway, have at it. Just be careful. As I say, these tabs break. Tilt everything back before you start working on it. Reach under there, unhook it, pull this up, replace that. Simple. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Cheers.